Hello everyone, welcome back to our another tutorial reactjs. So today we learn how to create routes in our React application. So last lecture we have created our routes.js file in source folder. So we have called this file in our app.js folder. So we go to our this is a React function. So we just simply remove, and starting from we need a router DOM. So first we open our terminal, close our debug, just paste this command npm I react router DOM, press enter. It takes couple of minutes to install our package react router DOM. So our package is successfully installed. So we just import our package. Firstly we need to import browser router as router. So first we need to start from our router. Under the router we need to create routes. So it's automatically imported in our React DOM. So the last is we need a route for creating route. So the argument of route is path and element. So the element is our component which we called. So we creating first our component. Home.js file, React function component. So here's we calling home component, always is starting from capital letter. So we go to here. So in element we just call our component, and here and write here our route path. Simply. So this is our route create for home, and we have a home component here. So when we hit this URL in our browser, so it's showing our home. Our home route is created. So we need to check. Simply we command type npm start for run our project. It's run by default port 3000. Let's take a minute. Yes, our server is just running 3000. Our React application, because we check our routes home. So our home router is created successfully. So if you want to create another routes, so let's suppose home new. So we add a new route, home new. So this is a successfully create. If you want to create a side header menu, if you want to create sidebar, so you need to routes for every project. So this is a simple and easy way of our routes created. Hope so you like our video. If you found a good thing in our video, please thumbs up and like and subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for latest more videos. Thank you.